Hello students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Myself Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 3rd Computer Science video lecture of chapter 5 Introduction to WordPad. Students, open chapter 5 of your computer book at page number 50. It's 5050. Students, now we will see the practical of this chapter. Okay, so first we have to start the WordPad. For this we click the start button. Okay, so this is our Windows 7 desktop. Now we click, this is your start button. Okay, we click on this start button. Now you can see यहाँ पर आपके पास start menu appear हुआ है यहाँ पर. Now you have to click on this all programs option. Now you have to find out the accessories. This is your accessories and click on it. We click on the accessories. Now we have to find the WordPad option. This is your WordPad option. Now we click on this WordPad option, then our WordPad program window will appear. Okay. So student, you can see this is your WordPad window with various components. We have this title bar, this quick access toolbar, tabs, WordPad button, this is document area, and this is your cursor. You can see here, this is the vertical blinking line present on top left corner in this WordPad window. Okay, and here we have minimize button, we have maximize button, and we have close button. Okay, so now we start writing some text in this document area. We will write, this is our computer class. Okay, we can zoom it, we can increase its font size. I think now it is visible for you. Okay, so we have typed this text using the keyboard by pressing the keys. Now we will save this file by clicking on this WordPad button. Okay, when you click on this WordPad button, these are the options you can see. So now we can save this file by clicking on Save As button. On the save button, when you click on the save button, this save as dialog box will appear. ठीक है, आपके पास save as dialog box appear हुआ है. अब आपको आपकी फाइल का नेम देना है. So we can write here file 1. This is the name for our text file. Next we have to choose the location जहाँ पर आपको आपकी फाइल स्टोर करनी है. Okay, so we have choose here this document. Double click on it. Now you can see this is the libraries and documents. So you are now in the documents folder. We have already given the name to the file in the file name box. This is file 1. ठीक है, file 1 हमारी फाइल का नेम है. Now you have to click on this save button. ठीक है. So now our file has been saved. अब हमारी फाइल सेव हो चुकी है. Now here you can see the file name. This is file 1. Okay. See, this is the file 1. Now we see how to highlight the text. See students, here we have B, I and U buttons. These are 3 buttons are used to highlight the text. Okay, first we will select the text. We select the text using the mouse. Here we place the mouse and click it. Okay, we drag the mouse. Now computer has been selected. Now to highlight the computer, we click on this B button. Now our computer will be converted into the bold format. See, now computer highlighted in the bold format. Now we highlight this class word in the italic format. We have selected the class. Now we click on I button, that is italic. You can see the class word has been italic. Now we select this is. So we want to underline this is word using this U button. So we have selected this word. Now click on this U button. We can see here the line present below this text. So we have seen all the highlighted buttons, bold button, italic button and U underline button. Okay. Now we can close it using the close button, and we can minimize this activated window using this minimize button. We can see. So this minimize button hide your activated window. This is your maximize button. Now this window is in small size, and if you want to maximize it, अगर आपको इस window को बड़ा करना है, then you can click on this maximize button. तो ये आपकी full size में available हो जाता है, enlarge हो जाता है, ठीक है. And now we will close it. This is the save as dialog box, ठीक है. WordPad close dialog box. We have two buttons, save and don't save. If you want to save it, then click on the save button. If you don't want to save it, then click on the don't save. Here we save it, and again we will see how to open a saved file using the WordPad. Okay. So again we open the WordPad program. Here start, all programs, accessories, then WordPad. Now we will open a saved file that we have already saved, that is the file 1. Okay. For that you have to click on this WordPad option. WordPad button पे click किया है, then we click on this open option. अब यहाँ पे आपका open dialog box appear हुआ है. Next आपको जाना है आपके target folder में, जहाँ आपने आपकी फाइल को सेव किया था. So this is your target folder, documents. Click on this folder. You can see this is your file that you have already saved using the WordPad. Okay. Select this file. We have select this file. Now click here on open button. When you click the open button, this file will be opened in the WordPad window. Okay. So I hope student you have understood this practical. So take out your pencil and start the book exercise. Our first exercise is tick the correct one. In this question you have to choose the correct answer and put the right mark over the correct answer. Our first question is, which button will you press to make the text bold? ठीक है, आप कौन सा बटन चूज करेंगे टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड करने के लिए? The options are B button, it stands for bold text, I it stands for italic text, and U this is for underline text. तो आपको टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड करना है, then we use B button. Sure. So your right answer is B button. Put the right mark here. Our next question is, which bar contains the program name and the file name? आपकी कौन सी बार जो है प्रोग्राम का नेम और फाइल का नेम होल्ड करती है? ठीक है. We have studied that title bar is available on the top of the window program. Sorry, WordPad window. Okay. So options are status bar, title bar and task bar, and our correct answer is title bar, which hold the file name and the program name. Next question is, a vertical blinking line in the document is called? Student, we have already discussed the cursor. Cursor is the vertical blinking line available on our WordPad window on the top left corner. Okay. So our option are pointer, cursor and line, and we know our correct answer is cursor. So put the right mark in front of cursor. Student, our next exercise is fill in the blanks. So you have to fill in the blanks from these options. Our first fill up is the dash are used to scroll the pages. Students, we have discussed already WordPad window has two scroll bars, vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bars to move the page in left to right direction or up and down direction. So your answer is scroll bars. The scroll bars are used to scroll the page. ठीक है, scroll bars को हम use करते हैं पेज को scroll करने के लिए. Our next question is, students, the WordPad is a dash. Students, we have already discussed WordPad is a text editor program of the window, ठीक है, which we use to create a documents. So answer is text editor. Our next question is, students, by default dash is placed at the top left corner of the page. Students, we know by default the cursor is always present on the top left corner of the document area, okay, in the WordPad window. So your answer is cursor. Write here cursor. Next question is, the dash button is used टू एग्जिट द वर्डपैड, ठीक है, कौन से बटन को हम यूज़ करते हैं वर्डपैड को एग्जिट करने के लिए या क्लोज करने के लिए? स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डिस्कस वी यूज़ क्लोज बटन, ठीक है, क्लोज बटन को हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? वर्डपैड विंडो को क्लोज करने के लिए, एंड क्लोज बटन इज अवेलेबल ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्डपैड विंडो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द वाइट एरिया इन द वर्डपैड विंडो is called dash. Students, we know document area. Document area is known as the document area is the white area where we type the text in the WordPad window. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या लिखना है? document area. Okay, students, our next exercise is write capital T, that's for true, and capital F for the false statements. So we have these statements. First statement is, WordPad is an application of Windows. Yes student, Notepad and WordPad both are the application of Windows. दोनों आपके Windows के application है and both are used for text editing. ठीक है, तो दोनों आपके क्या हैं? They both are text editor program of Windows. So this statement is true. You have to write here capital T. Okay. Our next statement is, the maximize button is used to enlarge the window. We have discussed, student, maximize button is used to enlarge the window when it is small in the present. अगर वो आपके पास पहले से छोटी साइज में है, स्मॉल साइज में है, then you can use maximize button to enlarge the window. So this statement is also true. You have to write capital T here. Next statement is, the quick access toolbar. Okay, the quick access toolbar holds the buttons to do common tasks. Yes students, we know क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार विच इज़ द कंपोनेंट ऑफ द वर्डपैड विंडो. ये आपके वर्डपैड विंडो का कंपोनेंट है जो कि आपके टाइटल बार के पहले अवेलेबल होता है, ठीक है, एंड इट कंटेन्स सम बटन्स टू डू कॉमन टास्क लाइक सेव द वर्डपैड प्रोग्राम, undo the program and redo the program. Okay, so this statement is also true. Right here T. Next statement is, the horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll the page left and right. Yes student, we have two scroll bars in WordPad window. We have vertical scroll bar and we have horizontal scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar is used to move the page in up and down direction, and the horizontal scroll bar is used to move the page in left and right direction. Okay, in left and right direction. So this statement is also true. You have to write here capital T. Our next statement is, the cursor remains on its position when you type a character. No students, we have discussed कर्सर ऑलवेज मूव्स फॉरवर्ड, हमेशा आगे जाएगा वो जब भी आप टेक्स्ट टाइप करते हैं ऑन योर वर्डपैड विंडो. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. राइट F, capital F here. Students, our next exercise is, write numbers 1 to 4 to arrange the steps of opening an existing file. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपके पास 4 steps हैं एंड हमें इसे numbers के अकॉर्डिंग अरेंज करना है कि which step is first. Okay, so our first step, click the open option. Next is click the WordPad button. Next, click the open button and select the location and name of the file. Students, आपने पूरा चैप्टर का वीडियो देखा है एंड वी नो फर्स्ट आपको क्या करना होता है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक द वर्डपैड बटन. ठीक है, जब आप वर्डपैड बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं देन आपके पास क्या होता है, आपको क्लिक द ओपन ऑप्शन, आपको फिर ओपन ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करना होता है क्योंकि आप जब फाइल ओपन कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन द वर्डपैड बटन, देन अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस अपीयर, देन क्लिक ऑन द ओपन ऑप्शन, देन सेलेक्ट द लोकेशन, आपको टारगेट फाइल का लोकेशन को चूज़ करना है, देन click on the name of the file, then you have to choose the file, then click on the click the open button, then your file will be open in your WordPad program. Okay, so it is very simple, you can do it yourself at home on your computer. Okay students, so I hope now you are able to do practical at your homes with WordPad. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day students.